everyone, welcome back to Eassiy Official, your go-to channel for iPhone and iPad solutions. Today we're tackling a frustrating problem: how to remove activation lock without the previous owner. If you bought a second-hand iPhone or iPad and got stuck on the iCloud activation lock screen, don't worry, we've got you covered with 3 practical methods, including the fastest and easiest one using Passixer iPhone Unlocker. Make sure to watch till the end because we'll also share pro tips to avoid this issue in the future. What is activation lock and why does it exist? Before we jump into the solutions, let's quickly understand what activation lock is and why it's there. Apple introduced this security feature to protect your device in case it's lost or stolen. When activation lock is on, you need the Apple ID and password linked to the device to set it up. So if you purchased a second-hand device and it's locked, you can't access it without bypassing this lock. The fastest way: use Passixer iPhone Unlocker. Alright, now let's talk about the fastest and most reliable method using Passixer iPhone Unlocker. This tool is designed for situations exactly like this. It doesn't require the previous owner's Apple ID or password, and it works on all iOS versions, including iOS 26. Alright, so first, just download and install Passixer on your computer and open it. Next, connect your iPhone or iPad, then select Bypass iCloud Activation Lock. After that, follow the jailbreak guide inside the software. Don't worry, it's totally safe and easy. When you're ready, click Start and Passixer will bypass the activation lock in just a few minutes. That's it. Once you're done, you can sign in with a new Apple ID and start using your device like normal. Simple, right? Alternative methods to remove activation lock without previous owner. They're not as effective as Passixer, but let's go through them. Method 1. DNS bypass. So this method works only on older iOS versions like iOS 8 to iOS 10. Basically, you can use a special DNS server during Wi-Fi setup to trick the device. But just keep in mind, you won't get full functionality, just limited access. Method 2. Contact Apple support. You can try Apple support, but you'll need to provide proof of purchase and, other details like the IMEI. If you can't prove ownership, this won't work. Plus, honestly, the success rate is very low. Pro tips to avoid activation lock in the future. To prevent this from happening again, here are some quick tips. Always buy from trusted sellers. Ask the seller to disable Find My iPhone before you pay, and use an Apple ID you can always access. So that's how you remove activation lock without the previous owner. The easiest and fastest way is definitely Passixer iPhone Unlocker. Download link is in the description below. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button, subscribe to Eassiy Official, and hit the bell icon for more iPhone and iPad tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.